Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum here just after the weekly candle close. We saw a little bit of volatility here towards the weekly candle close, but nothing too significant. In the end, eventually Ethereum has hardly moved this weekend. So we've had here a possible triangle that we've been tracking throughout the weekend. Forecast for the weekend was spot on. We talked about this triangle, wave 4 weekend, wave 4 Saturday, wave 4 Sunday. You can basically, honestly, in probably 80% of cases, on a Saturday we have a wave 4. It's crazy, but it is how the markets organize themselves. It's very, very interesting. It's a bit of a joke in the membership that we throw around a little bit, but it is what it is. It's quite funny. But typically then you would see a breakout here at some point. Now at the moment, I think the triangle could be finished. Obviously it's not guaranteed. It would be this count A, B, C, D, E. Yeah, that's where you have a triangle complete and the triangle would break to the upside. It was getting towards the end of the triangle. We had a breakout here. Typically what you have is if the triangle breaks above the B wave high, you expect a breakout, but it should really now follow through. So against the E wave low, that would now be the invalidation point. If we fall back, then this would be invalidated basically. Below 2080, we would assume that something else is going on. But against that level, I think we can now focus on higher with a possible target being the 1-to-1 ratio. So basically what we do, we take the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the fourth wave, which is the end of the E wave. And the key target here would be 2180. At least it's a key level to watch. 2180. I'm going to add that as a dotted line here onto the chart. Another way of calculating the target would be to take the length of waves 1 through 3 and we go to the low of the fourth wave. And then we take the 38.2 fib extension that is at 2195 and the 61.8 extension is at 2267. So these are sort of the levels to watch. They are all reasonable target levels for the next sort of push to the upside. So again, against this swing low, which is the wave E low, we can now focus on higher. If we lose it, it wouldn't be bearish. It would just mean that something else is going on. Maybe wave 4 is not finished yet. And we see a bit of a flat pattern here and come down into the orange box again. But that's sort of really within the daily volatility of what's going on at the moment. I think because we have broken the triangle to the upside, we've taken the B wave high out, and we've actually made a new high even above the third wave high here. We have to assume that a low is now in, but it's very early days. Ideally it's pushing now higher from here, but below 2080 we have another chance to get back into the orange support area. And overall this should continue to push higher as long as 1994 is holding. This is really the major or the main support level, and the micro support is at 2080. What this is now really on the lower time frame is really very, very difficult to say, right? This is 15-minute chart, and this could be an impulse. It's not a very clean one, or diagonal evolving. This looks like a mini triangle here. I wouldn't try to count that. That would be unreliable. So let's first see if this is playing out. What I don't like about this move, for example, is this deep pullback that happened here. But you sometimes see those distortions on the 15-minute chart. All right, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.